what if you could literally take 60 minutes, that's all it takes, 60 minutes to create your very own product on Warrior Plus and start selling it? And what if I could get you going with having a done for you product and even show you how to get traffic for your product? Would that be pretty cool? I think it would be. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of 60-Minute Expert. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can implement successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead because, well, I tell the same jokes all the time, even if I vary them slightly. They're boring. I get it. I'm a boring person, you know. Hey, look, I'm the kind of person who has artwork on my walls. I don't have, you know, some guitars or I don't know what, comic books or whatever on my walls. I have artwork. I have, you know, this here. You can see it behind me. I have a chess set. I have a picture of a painting from Matisse, that, you know, the Son of Man. That's what it's called, by the way. That painting. I like it. He wears a hat too. But seriously, anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products. They make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? You know, you started a trend with all these other people getting on the thing, but he started it. He used to drive me crazy for a long time, and then some of his buddies got in on it. Even Newman from Seinfeld got in on it. It's ridiculous. Guys, stop it already. Forget about the crap. Nobody wants it. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. And I see Liz, she says the same thing every day also. You think I would get angry at her, but she's a nice person. She's also a fellow New Yorker. Well, I'm no longer in New York right now. I live in Pennsylvania. Used to live in New York. Yeah, so, you know, what the heck. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I'm dropping the videos. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for 60-Minute Expert. This is from my friend and mentor, John Thorne. Now, John, basically what he did was he challenged himself. Could he put together an entire product funnel on Warrior Plus in 60 minutes or less? Because he figured, okay, 60 minutes, anybody can spare 60 minutes. I mean, you could find, you know, 1 hour over the weekend to put together a product. And so he actually did it. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second, where he step by step shows you over his shoulder exactly what he's doing and how to get it all up and running inside of 60 minutes flat. Okay, it's a really, really cool idea, and you could be making money from this after 60 minutes of effort. Now, of course, you do need something to sell, which is where I come in, because even though John is going to tell you how to do this, he's not going to give you something to sell. I'm going to do that for you. What I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to give you a set of premium WordPress themes and premium WordPress plugins that you can turn around and sell. Yes, you actually are legally allowed to sell these things. It is 100% legal. You can sell them. You can give them away. You can use them as a bonus. Okay, the only thing you can't do, you can't claim ownership, and you cannot change the copyright notice inside of them, but you can legally sell these things. One of the things that I'm going to give you, by the way, is a plugin, actually a theme and plugin called Divi. I've actually used Divi to create several of my own websites. For example, my very first launch, Local Video Jackpot, was created using Divi. Divi alone is a $100 item. You're going to get it completely, totally for free from me when you pick up this package. and you will be able to deploy it and use it completely for free. It is completely legal. There is nothing wrong with using it, nothing wrong with selling it, nothing wrong with giving it away. Whatever you want to do with it, you're going to have these things. You already have a product you can start by giving away. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to give you another 5 courses with full PLR rights. That means you can sell them, give them away, use them both. And these you can actually claim ownership. You can write your own name. Only thing you can't do is sell PLR rights to somebody else, but you do have the right to use them for yourself. Plus, I'm going to give you 20 different courses on how to drive traffic. So that this way, actually, yeah, 20 different courses on how to drive traffic. This way, you're going to be able to start making money off of these things by driving traffic to this product offer that you're going to create on Warrior Plus. And you're going to get all of that when you pick this up for me. The price, by the way, right now, check this out. I click here, and you're going to see it's $15.28 to purchase this. $15.28 for the whole thing to get this product on Warrior Plus. Now, it is on a dime sale. The price goes up every hour. So make sure that you get in as soon as possible because the price will go up. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to bump you up. I'm going to, boy, am I going to bump you up. Instead of giving you 10 plugins and 10 themes, I'm going to give you a total of 90 plugins and themes combined. You're going to have about 90 of them that you're going to be able to sell, give away, use as a bonus. Again, you can use these as your own product. You can even use that as the upsell for your product. So you can give away, you can sell or give away these 10 themes and plugins, and then use the others as an upsell that you can sell later on. You have the legal right to do that. You can sell them. Again, you just cannot change the copyright notice. You cannot claim ownership, but you do have the right to sell them if you would like to sell them as they are. So let's check out the members area real quick. You can see here it's all a video course. And a lot of people get nervous when they see a video course and think, oh, there's too much to do. Honestly, these videos are super short. You can see the first video is 2 minutes. Okay, and the idea was that it would take you an hour to go through this because he's going to show you over his shoulder, step by step, exactly what is involved in making this work. Step by step, every single thing is there for you, where you're literally going to see exactly what to do to be able to make this work in 60 minutes flat. Start to finish, that's all it takes in order to make this happen. You're going to be able to make this work in 60 minutes flat. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Master the Product Creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my head. I really do like this. Now, John is a multimillionaire, by the way. So you're getting training from one of the best in the industry. He's the person who trained me. And he's really an incredible person who really knows what he's doing. He's going to be able to offer you so much value from this program. So really and truthfully, to pick this up for $15, you're really getting a bargain. Grab this one, you're going to love it.